Okay, just to recap. Now, we built our entire marketing funnel. In section 1, we have our traffic. Okay, we're gonna go out, we're gonna do paid advertising, blog posts, social media, and we're gonna send traffic to our website or landing page, which is gonna start our marketing funnel. Now, depending on where you get your traffic, if it's gonna be paid advertising, you may send them directly to your sales page. If you're creating content, blog content, doing social media, or maybe even social ads, then you may opt to send them to an opt-in page where you're gonna give them a free offer first before you eventually bring them to your sales page. Now, once they come to your sales page and they either purchase or they don't, then it's gonna start another sequence. So if they make a purchase, they're gonna come to your thank you page where you're gonna offer some upsells, cross-sells, additional information about different products and services that you offer, things like that. And you're simultaneously going to enter them into your email marketing funnel, where at this point, you're gonna start to do some lead nurturing, customer nurturing, where you're gonna build a relationship with them, you're gonna educate them on additional products and services that you offer, and eventually start selling them more and more stuff, okay? So the key with this entire system that we've gone through in this course is that you take action. You've taken the first step to come and take the course, which is awesome, kudos to you, but the next step is to actually implement it. And if you're new to this, online marketing funnel kind of concept, then it can be a little overwhelming for you. But the thing is, it takes a little bit, it's not too difficult. Once you've done it once, you'll realize it's not too difficult to do. It does take some work to set this up, but once you do, it works over and over for you. You don't have to set this up again. All you're gonna do is you're gonna manage it. You're gonna make little tweaks, little changes. You might change some headlines. You might change your opt-in offer, things like that, but you don't need to recreate the entire thing. You're gonna manage it, okay? And you're gonna get much more success and much better conversions than if you do like most business owners who just do some ads and hope for the best. They send people blindly to their website and then they hope they make sales or people contact them, which I can tell you from experience, does not work. It's a waste of money. So before you spend any more money on online advertising, make sure you have a funnel like this set up, because it's the only way that you're going to get the most for your ad dollars and the most for your marketing efforts if you can bring them into your funnel. And hopefully some of them will purchase, but the truth is the vast majority won't. So you need to have a system in place where you're getting them on an email list, you're doing lead nurturing, and you're building a relationship to eventually get them into a sale and to get them into future sales as well. So I'm going to leave some resources for you in this course so you can find out exactly what you need to set all of this up. It's not that difficult to do. It's not expensive to do at all. Like I said, it does take some time. It takes some effort, but that's marketing, right? It takes effort. It takes some time. It takes some strategy. And if you're just going to do willy-nilly like most people and just do ads and hope for the best, I can guarantee you, you're kind of wasting your money at that point. A system like this does take time to set up, but once it does, it's going to work for you over and over again. And once you've set it up once and you understand how it works, when you launch a new product, a new service, it'll be easy for you to take this and replicate the entire thing over and over again for different products and services, even different businesses. Because once you understand how to build a marketing funnel like this, it's super valuable, and you'll be able to use this, apply this to any kind of product or service that you're going to sell. Okay, so if you have questions about it when you're doing it, I challenge you to go start building this now, start getting your resources together, start building it. If you have questions, feel free to reach out and contact us, or if you need help setting it up, or you're not sure and you just want to have somebody else set all of this up for you, we can do that too. So you can reach out to us for that as well. Thank you so much and good luck.